Welcome to Alice in USA. Today, we begin our journey through Lancaster County, Pennsylvania, the heart of America's oldest and largest Amish settlement. As we travel these quiet country back roads, a unique visual narrative unfolds, a seamless blend of traditional and contemporary agriculture that defines this storied region. Outside the car window, Amish and American farmsteads flash by in a rhythmic patchwork of shared history. While modern machinery and vehicles mark the homesteads of some, other properties, often set contemplatively back from the road, reveal the quieter, horse-drawn life of the Amish. This landscape serves as a living museum, where two distinct worlds exist in harmony, preserving a culture deeply rooted in peace and the timeless simplicity of a bygone era. On Ridge Road, the landscape opens dramatically. In the distance, silos rise beside dairy barns, their outlines softened by rain and haze. The road follows higher ground, offering broad views across Lancaster County's farmland. Westview Drive passes through a mixture of residential and agricultural scenery. Well-kept homes stand among flowering shrubs and mature trees. Dogwoods and late-blooming ornamental cherries add touches of white and pink to the rainy landscape. Occasionally, horse-drawn buggies move along the roadside, their dark forms contrasting with the pale sky. As the route connects with Old Philadelphia Pike, the journey acquires a distinctly historic character. The road winds through one of the oldest settled parts of Pennsylvania Dutch country. Stone farmhouses built generations ago stand close to the roadway, their gray walls darkened by moisture. Wide porches overlook fields enclosed by wooden fences. Small roadside markets, produce stands, and hand-painted signs appear intermittently through the drizzle. Approaching Lancaster, the countryside remains remarkably rural. Horse pastures spread beside cultivated fields, and laundry lines flutter gently in the damp breeze behind farmhouses. The low clouds seem to rest upon the distant hills, creating a layered landscape of greens and grays. The afternoon light, filtered through thick cloud cover, is soft and diffuse, giving the entire scene a calm, contemplative atmosphere. In late May, the region is at one of its most vibrant moments of the year. Every field appears freshly washed, every tree fully leafed out, and the gentle rain transforms the Pennsylvania countryside into a landscape of subdued colors, rich textures, and quiet rural elegance. We conclude the first chapter of our journey at the Lancaster Bed and Breakfast, a boutique sanctuary of historical elegance. Before we step inside this 1912 Dutch colonial-style mansion, we invite you to linger in the tranquility of the gardens and the stillness of the Goldfish pond. Constructed over a century ago, this grand residence was originally the private home of the Armstrong family, whose name became synonymous with the American flooring industry. Today, the estate stands as a refined testament to the era's superior craftsmanship. Let us now explore the beautifully preserved period interiors that capture the historic soul of this magnificent home.
Once in a while I dream. Once in a while I think of you. I reminisce on days gone by when you and I were new. Once in a while I hoping that you'd return to me. But I know that you're not coming back, so once in a while I dream. Each moment passes like hours. Each day is dark as the night. Since we have ended, I just pretend I have a reason to live. It's sad how the seasons change. Sad how the feelings go away. We were in love, but now it's over. So once in a while I dream. So sad how the seasons change. Sad how the feelings go away. We were in love, but now it's over. So once in a while I dream. Pardon my plea.